We have not done anything, and I want to make a video, and my son's going to be in this one with me. For you guys that are that are at home bored and you guys want to watch a video, I have a video that I'm gonna post for you guys, but I think I'm gonna post this one first because I still kind of want to edit the other one. So this is what we're gonna do. My son is gonna do my makeup today, so this is gonna be
I don't want to.
fun.
I mean,
It'll
I
be
did
fun
it
and
before.
funny. He's never done it before.
I did like your eyelashes one time.
My eyelashes.
Well, no, your lip. Okay, so this I'm guessing is this is not lip gloss. These are lip glosses.
Okay.
These go on your cheeks, and I think this is on your face or something. Let me open that real fast. Yeah, that goes on your cheeks. Hi there, we're back. Phone ran out of battery.
I'm gonna tell my daughter to do it with me, but she kind of knows what to do with makeup, and I think it'll be funny for him to do it.
Oh my god! That dog looks exactly like Jeremy. He looks so much like our dog Jeremy though. But he just looks like our dog Jeremy when he's shaved. Hi there.
Bring me and brother some of your brushes. We need some. Okay, there. That's better.
Thanks.
Okay, so you. Corey, you spilt it.
What?
Give it to me.
Sorry. I was gonna put the cap back on, and when I put caps back on, I usually do this. Usually tip it over. I have no clue.
You have to show them what you're using, okay?
Okay, I have no clue what to use yet, though. You think you used too much of that one?
It's broken.
It is?
I think it's broken, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, there it goes.
That was the only... Oh. I don't know if I'm gonna do good or not.
Okay, look at everything that you have
yeah,
and
yeah.
see if that's what you want to use, okay?
The other colored lip glosses are...
Whatever you want to use,
trash.
okay?
Trash.
So you're going to start with lips first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think this looks too good. Mom, you just made me messed up.
Oh, sorry. Okay, good.
You guys think I'm doing good so far? Comment down below.
Oh, Papa, that's good. Oh.
Even though you made me mess up right there.
Okay, go ahead.
Actually, I'm going to do a little bit more down here and up here.
It matches my shirt.
What's this for?
I can't tell you. Just use it for whatever you think.
Ah, shoot.
Show them what you're using if you do decide to use it.
I'm only going to use the things that I know what to use it. That I know what to use it for, so I don't embarrass myself.
Okay, what is that? Show them what that is.
For your cheeks.
No, sure. It's for your what?
Cheeks.
For your cheeks? What does it say?
I don't have no clue.
Laura Geller.
Laura Geller?
Yeah.
Ow!
Did it pinch you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm good. Ow! You're just making it hurt a bit more. I don't really know.
It's okay, Papa. Just do what you think looks pretty. Make mommy look how you want mommy to look pretty.
You already look pretty.
Oh, Angel.
Ow!
Okay, what do you think that's for?
Cheeks.
Your cheeks?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have no clue what to use. Get some of Tita's makeup. And turn this box into a catastrophe. There's a mirror in this one. says IB.
FB.
Oh, FB. Looked like an I.
Corey, did you fart?
No. No, it didn't.
Yes, you did.
Okay, yeah, I did. Can you cut out that part, though, please?
Okay. Thing on my face.
This is for the top of your eyelids, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I don't even really know what I'm doing. Really? Got lipstick on me. Should have done this first. Tell me if I'm pushing too hard.
No, you're fine before.
I'm fine? Okay. Actually, I don't think this is for the eyelids. Oh, this looks pretty. Look at this.
Okay, try that then. What about using some of this stuff? Look.
Oh my god, it feels so soft.
Look at this. You know what that's for, don't you?
Feel it. Feel it. Yeah, I know. It's for get this stuff and put it on your cheeks.
Okay, Mommy's gonna give you a clue, a little clue, okay?
Little clue what things are for?
Okay, this is for your eyes, for eyeshadow.
Okay.
And this is eyeshadow, okay? So
Okay.
this
is eyeshadow.
Mario palette by Anastasia.
What do you mean Mario palette?
Yeah, it's a master palette by Mario.
Oh, it says Mario. It's too much.
Here, put it on the towel so you don't make a mess.
Okay, time to put it on your... Yeah. Does that look good? Guys, tell me if that looks good. Close. I think I messed up. I put a bit on your nose.
It's okay.
Look, turn the side. You'll see right there.
It's okay.
That's more lipstick on me.
It's okay. Fix it. Keep blending.
I thought this was blue. It's not.
It is blue. It's dark blue.
It is?
Mhm.
Looks black.
No, it's blue. It's dark blue.
Okay, how do I get this stuff off?
No, just keep blending.
Just keep blending?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Add get a lighter color or something. A little bit.
I know. I really hope. Oh, I think that looks actually a bit good. Do you guys think that looks good? I don't think it looks too good. Remember, you're gonna owe me that $4.
Okay. How about we use some of this?
Only if you tell me what it's for. Wait, same thing.
What do you think this is for?
Same thing?
If you want.
I'm gonna use it for your cheeks.
Okay. Yeah, that's what it's for.
Bum, 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 bum. I think I need a bit more.
Here, Mommy will hold it up for you.
Okay. Why does it look like you have glitters?
Glitters?
Yeah, it looks like you have glitters in your cheek. Do I have lip gloss on me now? Or lipstick? Okay, I ate it off.
Are you done? Okay.
I've seen people use this on their cheeks before. I think I put it a bit too much.
Pretty?
What is it for?
That's for your lips, okay?
It's for your lips?
It's lip liner.
Lip liner?
Yeah.
Oh, so you put it like around your lips?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll try it. That what it's for?
Okay, keep going, sorry.
Is it what it's for though?
Mhm.
That's what it's supposed to be?
Mhm.
Messed up a bit right here. What?
You only need a tiny bit.
Okay. Do you have to smooch it around?
Mhm.
Okay.
I love you, Angel. Do I look beautiful?
Guys, look at her lips. It doesn't look that good. I did a bad job on the lips.
No, you didn't, Papa. You did a good job.
I think I did.
Okay, what about this? Look
I don't know what makeup's all about.
Mommy always uses this.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, use that.
Which way do I open it? This way?
Yeah.
I think it's
Be
this way.
careful, careful.
What is it for?
Do you know what it's for?
Nope.
It's for my eyeliner. When I do the wing, try to make Mama a wing, because Mommy likes wing.
A wing, so I do this.
Mhm.
Okay. Wing, wing, wing.
No, no. No, on my skin.
Oh,
an eyeliner.
skin.
Yeah.
That's what it's for. Ta-da!
Better than mine.
Wait, it is?
Uh-huh.
Let me do some more. Now it looks even worse.
Okay, do the other side. Beautiful?
You do look pretty, Jess. That one just looks horrible.
It looks pretty, Papa.
I don't think it does. I don't think
Love
it looks stupid.
We love it.
I don't think it
We
will.
all love it.
Oh.
This is my cake. We love it. See? We all love it. We all love it.
This, because Mommy has to have eyebrows.
Eyebrows?
Yeah, that's for when
Wait,
Mommy
what is it for?
when Mommy puts her eyebrows on.
What's it for?
For my eyebrows, right here.
Eyebrows. Eyebrows?
Mhm.
No, sorry. Some just went my nose. I think I need a bit more. I think I grabbed a bit too much now.
Tell me I'm beautiful.
You're beautiful. Hi, Jeremy.
Tell me I'm beautiful. Ooh.
I don't think I'm doing too good.
You don't think I look pretty?
I said I don't think I'm doing too good. You look really pretty.
What if I did my makeup like this?
Take a look at yourself.
Ooh, I look pretty.
What about it?
My lips look bigger.
They do.
Mhm.
Can you help me open this up? Tried opening it before. It was just so hard. Yeah. Did they used to put this on me in the car?
She did?
Yeah. Is it lipstick?
It looked like lip gloss, like lip balm.
Lip
Does it have glitter in it?
Bum bum bum.
No.
No
It
glitty.
smells good.
No glitty. Okay. Do I use this?
No.
No. Okay. Use my finger.
Yeah.
Finger. Thanks, show me Takis and $4 now.
Got your pose for the thumb?
Fun. Whoa.
We're using the.
How do I do it?
We haven't even been showing you guys what we're using.
Okay, you're
This is the macaroon lip gloss.
How do you use bum
Mhm.
bum bum smoochie I did that.
Get Tita's reaction to my makeup. Brother did a good job, Tita.
I don't think I did good.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Squishy.
Don't. Sorry. Yeah.
No. I got a squishy right here, and I was pretending to throw it at her.
Papa, how do I look?
You look good.
The fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
Not my butt.
Lies.
These are for your...
Yeah, but you could only put it on my bottom eyelashes, the bottom ones. You can't
Bottom
put it on
ones?
these ones because they're fake.
Okay. Bra. Bra. Just close your eyes.
No, because you're gonna get them on my eyelashes.
Doesn't look... I just messed up real bad. I'm done.
Wait, hold on. Let me show them a close-up of my
Make sure to
makeup.
subscribe. And her makeup does not look too good because of me.
Do you guys like my
You would have done way better, Mama.
makeup? You don't think I look beautiful?
No, not that. I'm just saying you would have done way better.
I think that my son did a good job. I think he did a good job. So if you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
So if you haven't already, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.
I didn't do too good. How do you think I did? Out of a 0 to 10?
No?
I think she's probably gonna say 0.
So 1 to 10? Mm-hmm. Give it like a solid 8.
Solid 8?
Mm-hmm. Corey, that's the second time you farted in my video.
No, I didn't.
Yes, huh?
No, I didn't.
Apologize for farting.
No, I'm proud of it.